What's up, boys? I gotta get a couple things out of my car. There we go. Oh, come here. All right. I'm gonna do a little midweek update. As luck would have it for me, things have not gone my way this week. So I got the, oh, never mind the empty mag. I won't tell you how I emptied it or what I emptied it at. I'm waiting on what these bolt to. So if y'all know what this is, what these go on was supposed to deliver with these, and they got split because they come from two different warehouses. And what these go to will be here tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday. So if I put what these belong to on tomorrow evening after work, we're leaving Friday morning to go to Houston. So I won't have time to drive my truck and take it to exhaust this week. So I got fucked on that deal. But I am going to give y'all one update today. I don't know if I'm going to have anything else to catch all up on tomorrow or not. If you don't see an update like Friday, you probably won't see nothing till Monday, because I don't have a laptop or nothing that's worth taking and trying to edit with. So I'm just going to film all weekend and probably just make it one mega video or something like that. I don't know. But as far as the truck, by the way, I know we on that Dr. Pepper and Monster kick, but boy, this shit is just, I'm not a green tea guy, but man, you throw some watermelon in it, boy, I tell you what, them are good. And I'm not a tea guy either. I don't like sweet tea. Fuck with me all you want. I do not like sweet tea. I don't like it. Take it how you will. Call me, I don't care. But so far, what I've accomplished this week is, I'm gonna try not to give away too much personal info here, but I got one of these bad boys right here. Y'all know what that is. I got my tag, got my insurance. So this vehicle is now completely legal to be on the road. It is now tagged and insured. I even got a Pike Pass for it. So, man, it's kind of cool to sit in this thing. So, I mean, I kind of half-assed got some stuff accomplished. I'm gonna go ahead and blow it. I ordered a battery. These are terminals to adapt. If you've ever had an excess battery, they just take these little 6mm bolts. They don't have like posts on them like a normal battery. So I bought those. I could do two things. The battery in this truck's still under warranty. I could have went and warrantied it out. Obviously, if this battery shit out in 1 year of the vehicle not even fucking running, like, this battery's been tended. Like, we charged it and I tested it from time to time all last year through the summer. It was in the truck a little bit. When we moved the Rabbit around, it was in the Rabbit. It moved the Rabbit. So, like, it's not like we just totally let a battery sit for a year and never did anything with it. It just, as far as when we got to the point, like in the fall, like August, September, when we were actually trying to get the truck started and running, all those times we were cranking it, it was that battery. And we never charged it all that time. It held a charge. That's how we knew the truck doesn't have a draw on it. But our little -12 degrees and shit we had for a whole week straight, that fucked it. It literally says 0.05 volts or something like that. It's in the tenths of a volt. And we tried to put it on the charger and it won't take shit. It'll show voltage while it's charging and it'll start, but we figured this out the night we got it stuck on the trailer. As soon as you kill it, it's flat dead. So it's fucked. Anyways, I plan on doing a really big audio build in this truck. I'm very handy with audio. I can build custom sub boxes. I know how to do the math on them and all that stuff. Between me, James, and Taco, that's kind of how the three of us met back in high school, is because of like car audio shit. So we've always wanted a blow through. None of us have ever been able to, you know, grow a sack and cut a vehicle up and put a blow through in it, but this is gonna be the one, boys. We will be doing a blow through. I haven't nailed every detail down on what I want, but I thought to myself the other day, I was like, I could either go trade this battery out and go get another one just like it, and it only lasts a year or two, and then have to upgrade whenever I get around to doing the audio stuff. Or, while I have a discount at work now on pretty much anything to do with cars, and I'm balling on my tax money, might be a good time to invest in a quality battery. So I went ahead and bought an XS. Got a D3400, so it's a huge battery up front. It's like 1100 cold cranking amps, so it's way more than this truck needs. But it'll help us out in the audio department later on. When I run secondaries back here, we'll have a nice strong primary battery up front. So that's on the way. I planned on that coming today and me putting that in and getting everything ironed out this evening and driving it to work tomorrow. That's not going to happen now. So kind of a bummer, but it is what it is. Chris did pick up some gas for me on his way home yesterday, and because I had planned on driving it tomorrow. So we've got 5 gallons of fresh 91 in it. We've got our legal stuff all taken care of. We're insured, we're tagged, and there ain't a whole lot else to do. I did look around for the clamp for this, because I was gonna just like tilt this up and shove the filter on it and lay it up here and put the clamp on it. I can't find this hose clamp in the garage. Go figure, Matt's bummy ass garage and you can't find nothing. But I looked all over everywhere, especially when we were cleaning up before we broke down that dirty 6.0. Couldn't find nothing nowhere. I was like, whatever. But you guys know the deal. I'm not gonna repeat this shit again. You know, all we got to do is I'll probably run it like this up to the shop, and then we'll straighten it out. I think I am going to rotate it for sure and have it more pointed off in this direction, because that's where air comes in to begin with. So if I have a filter right there, we're a little bit away from the headers, we're away from all our battery shit. It's kind of dead space right there. And eventually, I don't remember if I've mentioned this or not, but I do plan on getting the beauty, I forget the name of them, what you call them, but they're basically like the beauty panels that cover all of this. Like, it'll go from the fender to here, and then the radiator part comes out to like right at the intake, and then this part, it goes around the brake reservoir and then comes this way. So eventually all that shit will be covered up. You won't see any of it. So don't remember if I've mentioned that or not, so there you guys go. Other than that, that's about it for the update. Yeah, didn't get as much accomplished this week as I wanted to, but it'd be like that sometimes. And we haven't done anything in here. It's just been, man, getting back to work this week for Chris especially, they're all backed up. We stayed working all week last week, so we're not necessarily behind, but we are having an issue getting parts. So now, like, UPS isn't giving estimated delivery days. Like, it just says severe weather delay. And like, I'm waiting on some stuff for that baby that I haven't talked about. I got an email that said, like, every day it said your expected delivery date has changed or has been updated or something. And it keeps changing. Then I got an email today and said your delivery driver is near. That was at like 11. Ashley's been home all day, and I was like, hey, keep a lookout for UPS because they've got my stuff, and it's 6 p.m. right now. They still haven't came. And I checked the email again, and I checked my tracking number, and now it says, it doesn't say severe weather delay anymore. It says out for delivery on vehicle by 9 p.m. I've went through this before. It's 6 p.m. We live in BFE. If it ain't here yet, it ain't coming today. What they're going to do is they're going to wait till like 7, 8 o'clock at night, and they're going to do a delivery exception on it and say address not found, which they've done several times before. They just say they can't find it, and then the next day it's here before noon. Like, come on, guys, just finish your route out. Shit, I work for FedEx Freight. I know how this shit goes. Finish your damn route out. Get done with it. Bring the shit back to the yard. Anyways, any gays? Just kidding. JK, no homo. Anyways, I do have some stuff coming for the bike. It doesn't go on the bike. It goes on me. So, might do a little video on that. Got some sweet gear. And, yeah. Other than that, that's about it for this one. Hopefully the gear comes, and I'll do a little update on that for my guys that are into bikes and the bike content. Other than that, it's a bummer too, because it's like a beautiful evening, like still sunny, which the sun's going down now, but it was a beautiful evening. It's not totally miserably cold. It's like 50 something, so I was gonna put all my new shit on and go ride, but so anyways, if that stuff comes in before tomorrow, I'll do a little video on that, get a little bit of motorcycle dirt bike content out for you guys. Other than that, ooh, they found something. What'd they find? A squirrel. Take that squirrel. Damn dogs, always worried about squirrels. Ain't never gonna catch them, man. But anyways, dang, I said anyways like 5 times. That's it, boys. Thank y'all for tuning in. Sorry the content's kind of lame here lately, but we're gonna get to it. And I hope to see you guys at LST. If I don't hear back from y'all till next week, y'all have a good weekend. Peace out. Be human. We'll see you later.